Welcome back to Stratcom Tutorials, your quick guide to creating content that shines. Today, we're walking you through how to design an Instagram story in just 3 easy steps. Open Canva and search for Instagram story. Pick a template that matches your vibe. Customize with your colors, photos, and stickers. You are done in minutes. Professional stories have never been easier. Remember, stories that stand out start with smart design. Try these steps today and watch your content pop. Thank you for joining Stratcom Tutorials, where we make content creation simple, stylish, and impactful.